Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use DJ EI on Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So first of all, open up your Spotify application on your device. Remember to log in with your account on Spotify so that you can follow along. You can see that after opening the application, this type of interface will be shown. Here, all of the songs are related to your recently played songs. The algorithm of Spotify works in a way that it gathers all of the recently played songs by a specific user and then plays other songs like the ones user likes. To open the DJI, simply tap on the tab named Music. It will automatically redirect you to DJI. What DJI does is that uses the same integration and plays a song that it thinks the user would like. It also speaks with users and also plays a song it thinks that are similar to users' taste. To use it, simply tap on it and it will open up like this. If a recent song starts playing like this, then just tap on the floating button of DJI at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you press on next icon, it will play a random song based on the algorithm, and if you don't like it, then simply tap on DJI again and then again tap on the next song icon. And that's how you can use DJI on Spotify. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.